If you can see this page at all, it means that you have the correct permissions to be able to set and define privileges for people in your organization. You'll see right now this says that there are no custom privileges found, but I'm going to add one. So let's say that I have a temporary employee, and I want to give them access to some parts of my software system, but not all of them. So I can say temp employee. I can call them an entry-level employee, and then I can actually determine which of these menu items up here that person's going to be able to see. You can see right now they're all set to on, so I would need to go through and say, okay, I want to turn this one off, I want to turn that one off. So let's say I turn this go to MI. The underscore MI means the main heading here. So if I just turn off that one, all these other go-tos will automatically be off because they won't have access to that first one. Same thing here, call sheet, that's this one, contacts, that's this one. So if I turn off the call sheet, and I turn off contacts, and I turn off companies, and I turn off that one, and then I store this privilege, let's say I leave everything else on, okay, now I have the ability when I add a person here under my go to people, I can go into that person's file, and do you see here, choose menu permissions. So I can choose that temp employee, and it's automatically going to set those permissions exactly how I had set them in the privileges over here. Now, what I do for my privileges is I have one that I call all on, and I call that for maybe a super user, and I add that one as well. So again, if I'm in my people menu, I go into my test employee, I want to turn everything on, all I do is click all on, and you'll see it turns them all on. Or I can go back to temp employee, and that's going to set that one off. So however you set these permissions, that's what they're going to see when they log in.